Hey guys, I got these cables a few days ago. As you know, I mentioned earlier in a video that I received these cables. So what you're looking at right now is the Gagacocc CC audio cables. So I'm just going to take a look at them right now, open them up and see what they're like. As you can see, they come in this case. Now, nice clear case. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see. Oh, okay, like this. Yeah, I ordered these cables about a week ago. They came really quick. I ordered them, I guess, about 2 weeks ago. And these cables weren't in stock. So they actually had the cables made for me. So they did, I guess, a custom design and they made these cables for me the way I needed them. I was looking for basically a interconnect cables with 2 RCA ends and the other end to be a 3.5 millimeter end. Because as you know, recently I have an amp right here which the DAC broke and I wanted to fix it. So I could not use my DAC anymore because the connector on it is loose. So I had to use this audio cable right here. This 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And again, this is a cheap cable, standard cable. So this is what I use to connect my PC to my amplifier. So I decided to get some new cables. So I got these. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, these are very nice. The amp pack. Let's take a look. Yeah. Now this is the 3.5 millimeter cable on both ends. Let's see, get a good look. There we go. Yeah, it looks really nice. And you can see the barrels right here are made out of wood. Solid. Yeah, it looks like solid hardwood. So that's really nice. It's really smooth. Feels really nice. Yeah, in the hand. And this is the wiring. So what these are, actually, the wiring is silver plated wire. So that's really nice. Really good quality wire, as you can see. And these are actually called 8 cores. So I took a look at their website and they have videos on YouTube showing how these cables are actually built and assembled. So believe it or not, each wire like this is hand braided. And I guess the cores mean that it's eight wires that are braided together. But as you can see, all this is done by hand, braided by hand. And it looks really nice. Yeah. So again, this is silver plated wire, silver plated copper wire. So that's going to really help enhance the sound quality of the cable. And also the conductivity as well. Because silver conducts more electricity than plain copper. So that's good. So yeah. So this is a cable that I'm going to actually be using to connect to my PC and to my amplifier using this cable. So I'll put this to the side. Move the case. Now this one is like a Y cable. Because on one end it has 2 RCA connectors or 2 interconnect connectors on it. And this is designed to hook to your amplifier. So you have any type of amplifier, where it's a stereo amplifier, a T-amp. This will connect to the amplifier, and this other end will either connect to your PC or even your cell phone. So if you have a smartphone, you could connect this the smartphone to your amplifier, and then you can get your music that way. You can listen to your music on a pair of full-size bookshelf speakers. So I decided to get 2 cables, so I'm going to use basically both of them, but for right now I'm just going to use this one to connect to my PC, just a quick fix to my amplifier. So yeah, these are really nice cables. And it feels really solid. I mean, the wooded barrels that's on here feel really solid. Feels really good. Take a look. Yeah. Hope it's in focus. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, so I'll put these back in the box for right now. And I'm going to connect this cable. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to connect this cable to your PC and to the amplifier, such as a T-amp. With these over here. So this is, quite simple. Let me see. Take it off. And I believe these cables are 1 meter long, so that's like close to what 3 feet or a little bit over 3 feet, 1 meter. So let's see. Yeah, I'm just looking at the wire. Look at the detail. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So okay. So all you do to connect this your laptop to the amplifier, just using this cable. Let's see. I'm going to take this amplifier right here. And this is my SM-SL amplifier that I mentioned before in my last video. And this is the one that has a broken DAC. So I'm going to have to use the auxiliary output to connect to my computer to get music. So I'll see if I can show it to you from the back, because it's plugged up. Cable's kind of I'm going to have to unplug it. So I can show you. I have it hooked up right now, but as you can see, you go use this connector right here, the auxiliary. Yes, the auxiliary input right here. So connect one in. It's really simple, like this. Again, this is 3.5 millimeter jack. And also this cable company, they have different sizes. They have like, I think 4 millimeter jacks, 2.5 millimeter jacks, but this one uses a 3.5 millimeter jack. So it's really secure. Feels really sturdy. So that's nice. So I'm going to take the other end and plug up to my laptop. So again, this is a laptop that I have. And this is how I'm going to get my music. So I just plug it in this end. Really simple. Right here. See if you can see it. Again, this is the 3.5 millimeter jack. So you plug in the other end of the cable, and there you go. So that's basically it. So that's going to give you the sound that you need. So I'll see if I can plug this back up. Yeah, these amplifiers, But anyways, here we go. So I think I'll turn on the amplifier first. You have to hold the button down a little bit, a few seconds. There you go. Move this to the side. So this is great. The cable is really long, so that's really good. So I could, if I had this setting on my desk, I could kind of move my laptop further away because I have a lot more room because of the longer cable. So here we go. This is my laptop. And there we go. As you can see. Okay. So yeah. So right now I'm going to enter my passcode and see what's going on. Okay, there we go. So right now I am logged into my computer. So right now I'm going to play a little bit of right now it's nighttime, but I'm going to play a little bit of music just to sample it, just to see how it works. Make sure my speakers too is hooked up, because I'm not sure if they're hooked up or not. Here you go. So okay, here we go. So now, in order to get the music, you have to go to the selection that's on your amplifier. So you hit the power button right here and select until it goes to auxiliary. Okay, see. There we go. Oh, there we go. Again, this is my music, so it's not going to get any copyrights. This is a track that I made last year, at the end of last year. Yeah. So I'm not going to play too much because it's nighttime right now. But I just want to give you a sample. So yeah, it sounds really good. Yeah. It sounds really clean. It sounds really nice. Yeah. So I don't want to play it too loud, so I hope you can hear it pretty well. But I will do another audio test where I could play it loud so you guys can see how it really sounds. But it sounds really good so far. It sounds really clean and nice. Okay, that was it. Yeah, I don't want to make too much noise right now. It's early in the morning, so yeah. Yeah, I'm really surprised. It sounds, you know, from what I hear, I have to really do a full test, but from what I hear, it sounds really clean, really subtle, really nice sound. Does it sound? It does not sound edgy or anything. It sounds really smooth and nice. So yeah, I think that's about it for this video. And of course, I have my other cable. I'm gonna hook that up, I guess, later. But for right now, I guess I could show you right now. So I'm gonna close this down, this computer. Okay. So what I like to do when I disconnect this cable, sometimes I turn off the amplifier. There we go. So now I'm going to show you how to connect the other cable to the laptop, and this, I'm using a different amplifier this time. I'm going to use the topping right here. So I have this amplifier. And this is the topping TP30. This one actually has a built-in DAC as well. Right here, this is a DAC. But what this one has is actually, this one has the analog inputs right here, which the other amplifier, the SM-SL, don't. So the SM-SL right here only has a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary jack. But this one has the RCA auxiliary jack, so I really like that. So this is why I purchased this cable right here. This one that has the RCA jacks for this amplifier particularly. So yeah. And also it has a headphone jack. So you can also use the other cable that I just got right here. And you know, you could plug it in here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. You could plug it in here into this input, and then you can plug the other into a pair of headphones that you have that has a detachable cord, and you could do that as well. And I definitely want to hear how this sounds using this cable with this headphone amplifier. So not only is this a speaker amplifier for loudspeakers, but it's also for headphones as well. So yeah, it'd be really nice to hear how it sounds with headphones. But I don't have a pair of headphones right now that has that detachable cable. So I'll put these to the side. And now I'm going to try these out. And again, this is not plugged up. I'm just going to show you how to hook it up. I don't have my power adapter here. Again, look at the cables. Really nice, I think. Yeah. Nice solid wood. And you can see, yeah, let's see. And this cable is also the same length. That's 1 meter long. And you can get these in different lengths. You can get them in 1 meter, 2 meters, or 3 meters. I think maybe up to 6. I'm not sure, but you can definitely get these in 3 meters. And they're a little bit more, you know, if you get them longer. So let's see. So you do the same thing. Take these two ends. Right, 2 RCA, the left and the right, or the red or white, however you want to, the left or the right cable, or the red and white, however you want to call it. So you put them in here like this. There you go. Try to make sure the camera gets a good focus on this. yeah. Oh, I know this has this on it. Oh, I just noticed this. Yeah. Okay, that's nice right here. And then you take the other end, which is a 3.5 millimeter jack. And again, you plug it into your laptop, into the headphone port right here. Let's see. Like that. I know I'm kind of close to the camera. I apologize. But let's see. So you do the same thing. You turn your computer on. And again, I don't have this plugged up. No power adapter. So I just want to show you how to hook it up. So again, you would turn on the power button. And then you would select audio. It's already selected on audio right here. Then if you was using the DAC, you would select USB. But since I'm not using a DAC, I'm using a cable, you just select it to auxiliary right here, like that. Then you turn your computer on, you know, like that, and you're ready to go. So yeah. So I think that's about it for right now. Again, this video was just a short review and unboxing of these cables. So what I listened to so far, it sounds really good. It sounds a lot better than I could tell, you know, from using this cable right here. This is your standard, you know, inexpensive cable. And this is actually a pretty good sounding cable that I bought, but it cannot compare to the sound quality of this cable. Because of course, you know, they use silver plated wire, high quality wiring. So it makes it, you know, really nice. So I guess that's about it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And again, I will make another video showing you the sound quality where you can actually listen to how this cable actually sounds. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later. Okay. Oh, one more thing before I go. You know, if you are interested in purchasing these cables, in the description, I will leave the links where you can actually purchase these cables. So basically, the company, they sell on 3 platforms, I believe. They sell on eBay, Amazon, and their website. Yeah. So I actually purchased these cables right here. I purchased these from eBay. So again, if you're looking for a custom design, you could contact them on eBay, and they will respond to you, you know, very quickly. And if you need a certain cable that has a certain type of adapter, they will custom design a cable for you. And again, they do it really quick. I mean, they made me these 2 cables within I think within 1 or 2 days. You know, 1 or 2 days, they made the 2 cables, and then they shipped them out to me. And it came, you know, pretty quick. So and this is a company that is based in China, and they sent them to me within, like, I would say maybe 7 days, a little bit over a week. And this was a custom design that they did for me. So, you know, they build these cables really quick, and they ship them out to you quick. So yeah, so again, you know, you can find them on eBay, and in the description I will put the links to where you can purchase these cables. But again, these are custom designs, so I'll try to see if I can find them. If I can't find the exact cable, I'll still provide the link so you can look at their other cables. But I think that's about it. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again. Okay, take care. Goodbye.